So the question is, what kind of a nutcase are you? You've got 9 smokers here. What do you need that many for? How can you use all those? Why do you have them? How many smokers does a guy need? I think he needs this many. It's about 9 of them right now. And the ones that you'll see way over on your left side are 3 of them, the BBQ 07Os, and these are ones that I'm fixing up currently. Next 2 over here, BBQ 075s. These are older Traegers that I'm fixing up. The one here in the middle, Green Mountain, that's a Daniel Boone. I actually just bought that for parts. Trying to get a hold of a controller to fix one that I'm currently using in the backyard and smoking some pulled pork on at this moment. So I guess the question is, I guess I need one more than what I've got, but that is a controller that I'm going to salvage off of there and use the rest of it for parts. Yoder 640, this is the one that I'm most excited about. Absolute tank at 385 pounds, but these things are just rock solid. They are great smokers. Looking forward to that one. This guy down here is Davy Crockett. That's a Green Mountain, super useful for campers, RVers. They're small, you can take them where you need to go, and they're powered by 12 volts, so that's pretty handy also. You just plug it into your car battery. Over on the side here we've got a Traeger, and this is a 125. That one was built probably late 90s, early 2000s. That's a US made, as are a few of the others over on the other side. And that one is going to be permanent in my arsenal of smokers. I'm pretty excited about doing a restoration on that one. So here we have 3 Traegers, and these are the BBQ 07Os. Bought these guys just to fix up, turn around. Hate to see things go to waste, so we're going to clean these up, put new electronics in them, make sure that the rust is all out of here, and we're going to find some new homes for them. These 2 right here are a couple of Traegers. These were from the late 90s, early 2000s. You can see that different design here with a big barrel on the side, which is different than today. Over on the end is where the controller sits, so that's a little bit different. There's where the hopper is, along with some electronics, and then the big cook area also. That's a BBQ 075. This one right here, Green Mountain. I really just bought this one for parts for that controller right there, which is going to be used on the one that I'm using in my backyard. Currently a Daniel Boone that's making up some nice pulled pork. And this is a Yoder 640. Really excited about this one. It is an absolute tank at 385 pounds, but you can cook a lot on there. These things are really solid. Really excited about this. I've got a video detailing that one. And this is the little Davy Crockett, and that's a Green Mountain grill. Great for camping, where you're going to have a vehicle you can plug in, because this runs off a 12 volt, or RVers like these also. And then this is my newest one, picked it up last week, going to do a restoration on it. This is a Traeger 125. Got most of the stuff out of there as I was cleaning it up. But these things are just tanks also. This is US made in Oregon, probably late 90s, early 2000s. Look at those big beefy legs on there. This one's going to stick around with me. I've heard a lot of good things about this model. They get a lot of good smoke. It's a good size grill also. You can put a suckling pig in that thing, and I think that's going to happen one of these days. So here's the arsenal of all of those grills. Way too many of them. 9 of them right here. So the question is, how many more? How many do you need? I need one more. I'm not sure what that one is, but we'll find it. We'll put it into the stable here. Maybe it's a fixer that we're going to turn around and somebody else can enjoy. Maybe it's something that I'll fall in love and use for myself. Hey, this guy has definitely got a problem with all these smokers. So hopefully you don't have the same. Hey, figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard and do it this weekend. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you don't miss anything else from this nutcase that's got way too many smokers. But hey, thanks for watching.